Hey.
After a lot of days.
Yeah, and I have been planning to tell you what has been going on recently.
I'm listening, sister.
You know, it's quite awkward that my parents are setting me up for an arranged marriage.
That sounds interesting. I hope it's not a forced one.
I'm glad it's not.
The term arranged marriage sounds so backward, to say the least, but it also has its fair share of perks.
Yes, my parents tried convincing me with some theories. They say arranged marriage widely lasts longer than love marriage, which have a high rate of divorce cases.
I agree, getting married to someone you hardly know screams danger, but in most cases, I have heard of it has worked.
My dad told me that they wanted a secured life for me, as my perfect match has good education and is well settled in life. But still, I can't stop thinking about some uncertainties that come with it.
Like what?
What if we have misunderstandings due to lack of idea about our personal preferences or values?
Your bill is $50.
It's quite okay to be a little bit skeptical, but I think your parents can't find you someone you are not compatible with. You probably have similar values. Unlike love marriages, where one family may not like the other, in an arranged marriage, both your families will have a fantastic relationship, since they are the ones who fix you two.
True, but this can be a huge hindrance if both of us want separation. You know, most arranged marriage couples focus mostly on honoring their parents' dignity. This may make them stay in an unhappy marriage.
I know, and it's horrifying. How are you going to handle it?
I don't know, I am worried. That's why I am telling you.
I have an idea. Why not you seek some professional help from a coach or counselor? I heard they are so good at handling premarital counseling issues.
I like it. This way I will be mentally prepared, or I might get a direction on what to do. Do you know any online service provider?
I do not have any personal experience, but I have seen Facebook ad on Mental Strength Professional website. They provide online counseling and many other mental health services.
Great, but did you know how to book an appointment?
Yes, it's simple. Visit mentalstrengthprofessional.com.
Thanks a lot. I will talk to a mental strength professional and get help. It's better to seek professional support for sensitive issues instead of being worried.